Hello students, today's topic is zeroth law of thermodynamics. I am going to discuss detail about zeroth law of thermodynamics. It is a very basic law of thermodynamics. For better understanding of zeroth law, I will show you a diagram in which you can easily understand the concept of zeroth law. Here I am considering three systems named as A, B and C. Here there are two types of wall, that is A and B are separated by non-conducting wall. A and C and also B and C are connected by conducting wall. Conducting wall means they allow the passage of heat. Non-conducting wall means they do not allow the passage of heat between the system. Zeroth law of thermodynamics is one of the four laws of thermodynamics. The credit for formulating the law goes to R.H. Fowler. The zeroth law of thermodynamics frames an idea of temperature as an indicator of thermal equilibrium. Then, what is zeroth law of thermodynamics? The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if two systems A and B are in thermal equilibrium with a third system C, then A and B are in thermal equilibrium with each other. For better understanding of zeroth law, here I am considering three systems, that is A, B, C. The temperature of A is represented as TA, and the temperature of B is represented as TB, and the temperature of C is represented as TC. If the system A is connected with C by using a conducting wall, the temperature of the system A is 0 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the system C is 50 degrees Celsius. We know that the heat energy is flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Therefore, some amount of heat is flow from C to A. The reason is that heat energy generally flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. After some times, it reaches, that means A and C reaches a state of thermal equilibrium. At thermal equilibrium, temperature of A is equal to temperature of C. At thermal equilibrium, temperature of the system A is equal to temperature of the system C, that is TA is equal to TC. We know that TA is the temperature of the system A and TC is the temperature of the system C. Now place a third system B in contact with C. The temperature of the system B is 100 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the system C is 50 degrees Celsius. The system A and B are separated by non-conducting wall. That means there is no exchange of heat between the A and B. But the system B is connected with the C by using a conducting wall. Here heat flow takes place from B to C. That is, the temperature of the B is higher than that of C. Therefore, heat flow from B to C. After some times, temperature of B and C become equal, that is, it reaches a state of thermal equilibrium. That is, at equilibrium, TB is equal to TC. Now, by zeroth law of thermodynamics, TA equal to TB equal to TC. That means the temperature of the system A, B, C are equal. That means A, B, C are in thermal equilibrium with each other. Once again, if two systems A and B are in thermal equilibrium with a third system C, then A and B are in thermal equilibrium with each other. That is, A in thermal equilibrium with C, then C is in also thermal equilibrium with B. Automatically A and B are thermal equilibrium with each other. It is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Now I am going to discuss about some questions involved in the zeroth law of thermodynamics. The first question is, why is it called the zeroth law of thermodynamics? There were three laws of thermodynamics originally established, and named. Then the scientist realized that one or more law is required to complete the set. However, the zeroth law is the formal definition of the temperature and it is considered as a more fundamental law when compared to the other three laws. The three laws were already well known by their corresponding numbers, that is first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics and third law of thermodynamics. Renumbering the name would create confusion. Calling this as the fourth law and putting it in the last of the list was also being confusing because it is the most fundamental law. Since the law is the fundamental one, the scientist R.H. Fowler came with an alternative and numbering the new laws as a lower number 0 and the law is called as zeroth law. The second question is that what are the examples of zeroth law of thermodynamics? The answer is the zeroth law states that if there are three bodies, the first body is in thermal equilibrium with the second body and the second body is in thermal equilibrium with the third body, then the first body and third body are in thermal equilibrium with each other. The heat energy transfers from a body with high temperature to the body with lower temperature. When two objects are in thermal equilibrium, there is no exchange of heat between the system. For example, if body A has been kept under the sunlight for a while and another body is kept away from the sunlight. When both the bodies are brought in contact with each other, the heat energy transfers is from body A to the body B. The heat transfers until both the bodies reach the thermal equilibrium. That is, until the temperature of both the body become the same. If the bodies are brought in contact with the third body, the law will still be applied.